In this video, I'll show you how to fix fail to connect in League of Legends. Now first what you want to try is check that the servers are up and running. So come over here and search for status.riotgames.com. From in here you want to select your server and it will see if there's any issues. Now if there's no issues, then it might be a problem on your end. So what we can try is come down here to our internet, right click on it, open network on internet settings, go to change adapter options, right click on it, disable, and then right click enable. Now once you've done that, it will reset your internet on your PC. Now another thing we can do is come down here and search for device manager. Open up device manager, and from in here what you want to do is you want to come down here until we find the network adapters. Find your main network, which is this one. Yours is called something else, but you know your main one. And then update the driver and make sure that it's updated. Now if you've done both of these and it's still not working, another thing we can try is find our League of Legends right here, right click on it, properties, compatibility, and activate these two. Now as a last resort, if none of this works, what you can try and do is find your router in your house, turn it off for like 2 minutes and then turn it back on. This will restart your entire internet and this might help solve the issue. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.